post it on tomorrow. Look at this water, guys. Wow, Sam.
Boy, TJ, no man have them bar in that you forward, mate. I'm not gonna fuck him, man, you know. But I will if I dance, I put on here, sir. So this is Frenchman's Cove Beach. Anyone want to take a jump? All the phone.
How you doing, Sam?
Go past me. I get Sam in.
Sam, you want to come inside, Sam? That's a Frenchman's Cove Beach.
Beautiful, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Maybe 8 feet.
It
depends on the height of the wave. It goes from scour to deep. I'm going to take a video of you with your phone. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
How do I do a video here?
It's okay. Just keep it. Just keep it.
Okay.
That's how you should do it.
Is it on video now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're here with Anthony on the boat. He's captaining us through Frenchman's Cove.
Yeah, man. Along to Dragon Bay, you know.
And Dragon Bay next door.
Yeah.
And now Port Antonio's this way.
Yeah.
And we've got a bit of a choppy day, but doing good management of the waves. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, black man, you know you go already. Always out there, you know. Water could have rough some more, my boy. On the freckles, right? Out there. What big's end up on his face? Yeah, my boss. Yo, Chuck, your big's up on his face. Play a 2 dance last night. Him can't manage the day and night business, you know. Him just a night man, me a day and night man. Mr. Henry. What go on, boss? You know me are the managers that take care of the people. You know you go around with father. So that building up there that you see, that's G-Jam. The one with the glass, with the grey one. Yeah. Man said Jizzle not like a bird, yes sir. So you won't go on now. From Jizzle not like a bird, we have to shift up because remember this is my original thing, you know. So from Jizzle not like a bird, we are going to shift up and do the thing. You know, a dog and musician and me a tour guide. Yeah.
That's the public beach, right?
Huh?
There's a public beach right there, right?
That's right, that's Sanko Bay.
With the little Rasta man?
Yeah, aye, that's right.
There, guys. Got the knee there once. Oh.
Anytime you're ready, my father. Anytime you're ready. You know, say the word. Yeah. You don't have to say 40, my boss. 39. Good. Your boy TJ. I don't mind when I put the roaster in a ring this evening. I'm dying. TJ, you want to dive up here, so Turkey and Park like rice green, no boy. You come here, say you're sweet. Alright, when you can't suck the red stripe, just go all over and ask Ethiopia bar. So, yeah, and this is where you see most of the turtle, but through the rainfall last night, it's a little bit cloudy now, you know? Yeah, and over there, that's where James Bond shoot a part of his movie also, on the white sand over there. Yeah. No, over there. Yeah, he built a house and exploded, you know? Yeah, man. This is owned by a guy named Ernest Smart.
Okay.
Yeah, as a lot of hotel in Cayman, you know?
Okay. I heard of that.
Yeah, man. Passed away a year and a half now.
The Rasta man over here told me this guy owned that.
Yeah.
Who owns it now? His family?
Yeah, his son. He have a son, you know? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, the movie name is No Time to Die. Yeah. Then one of them engineers can lick guy here and farm, boss. Sweet like honey, man. Sweet, boss. You see my piece of water? So this is where the water comes from the mountain, you know? Right, yeah, right there. You can see the water pump.
Guys, see, here's where the spring comes from the mountain.
Yeah, it's a little spring right here. Right here is a little spring, you know? This is fresh water from the mountain. Right there it's coming from. Yeah, man, we take care of both all young, middle size, everything. I just come and just know, say, you will go on now.
Hey guys,
The goat will take you out on a tour.
how you look?
And everything will be crucial.
Want some of the boats, man?
Yeah, they call this beach Sanko Bay, you know?
Franco, this is the beach where we take guys.
Yeah.
Stop here tomorrow. It's public. We did. We stopped here 2 times. So it's here sometimes and fish. When we came to this beach, we came out over this dock. It's perfect with clean water. It's kind of like clean water in the Caribbean. Right there.
I saw them water here pretty important, you know?
Yeah. Beautiful. You got that? You want to swim with this? You want to get out and swim in it for a minute? Lizzie, you want to swim in this for a minute? It's sandy and safe for you, okay?
Yeah, see money around the beach, they send no eso. And them money around the beach up eso, see them there? I see money around Japan's beach, eh?
Come on. You got it. We're going to swim out here.
Yeah, I know you know the one and I have on a shirt, man. See there? I'm around the beach.
Yeah, Sam and Eddie, do you want to try a snorkel on? Sam, do you want to try one on?
No sea bike on the other side of my boss. Yeah, we have a sea bike, but boy, two then like the blue log going with a 2-4 on the sea bike again, my father. Play sweet, man. Play sweet. Mommy, I check out the boat, yeah. The boat sweet, you know?
So my brother is a boat builder.
Yeah,
He's made big fishing boats and little dinghies and stuff.
yeah.
Is this wood?
This is fiberglass and wood.
Okay, because I see fiberglass on the
Yeah, yeah. The whole thing is fiberglass, but we have wood. We have wood right here.
both sides, and then you build the frame.
That's right.
So it can sure take the wave.
Yeah, you can take the wave.
Yeah, I mean,
You like the captain?
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool. I've never been in such choppy water.
Huh?
I've never been in such choppy water.
Okay, yeah, man. Nice. You the experienced captain, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I grew up sailing on the Chesapeake Bay and also in Florida.
Yeah.
We traveled by boat from Key West up to Virginia.
Yeah, my boss, you know, you go always outside, you know? You know, Blue Lagoon now, them say the money name Adam Stewart purchased one house on there, so them a try set it up. Yeah. Take your time and walk, mommy. Take your time and walk. Wagwan, Ella. Respect, man. Yeah, man, we have life jacket, anything we want floater, we want snorkeling gears. We have fin, and we have glass. Everything we want, man. Water pretty and nice, my boss. Water pretty and nice. Everybody has to man and enjoy himself. See man are on the beach, eh? And them man is on the beach. And them man are on the beach. Big Zep on him face, my boss. Cause Big Zep a man who sleep on him face, you know. We played 2 dance last night. One richer party then called Overboard and one next dance a Sherwood. Big Zep a night man, you know. Me a night and day man. Him can't manage 2 shift them, you know. Oh, the place sweet, man. Oh, the place sweet, my boss. People are swimming and enjoy themselves. You know where you go there. Them are my guests. Water clean and glassy. Yeah, Jesus not like a bird, man. You're big sell himself like a bird and not like a bird. Yeah, Jesus not like a bird, so we have to just shift up, you know? Yeah, man, you know, he's an original Italian man, you know, you go hear the man. Talk them language, you fly my father. Yeah. Chuma, I guess some of the Italian people don't really talk no Italian to them. You see me? Sweet, man. Everything sweet, my boss, man. You want to check phone. That's I granny. One of granny. I'm pay a grand picnic out of size. Swim and enjoy themselves.
Push this out?
You ready to go back?
Yeah, we can go for a bit.
Okay.
You guys want to swim a little more? A couple more minutes.
All right. Yeah, man.
Having lots of fun.
Yeah, man.